you're exploring futures trading and want to understand how traders use signal groups, this video will walk you through the process in a safe and transparent way. Today, I'll be reviewing and sharing how traders find free trading signals on Telegram and how these communities work in real time, so you can learn, evaluate, and decide what tools fit your style of trading. In futures trading, timing and information play a major role. Many traders look at technical analysis, momentum shifts, and market structures to form trade ideas. Signal communities aim to provide this type of information, but the challenge is always the same: identifying resources that are educational, consistent, and transparent. The truth is, not all signal channels are created equally. Some communities provide genuine market insights, while others may lack clarity or reliability. That's why it's important to approach all trading information with caution, use proper risk management, and always verify things for yourself. No signal should ever replace your own analysis. Your decisions should always be based on what you understand and trust. Telegram is one of the places where traders gather because of its fast notifications, public community chats, and the ability to follow market discussions as they happen. It's widely used by traders to exchange ideas, review analysis, and learn from different perspectives. The community aspect can also help you understand why certain setups are shared and how others interpret market structure. In this video, I'll be showing how these Telegram groups typically operate, what type of information they share, and what to look for when evaluating whether a signal or analysis is useful for your learning. The goal is not to guarantee outcomes, but to help you navigate the space more safely and confidently. The value of any signal or analysis comes from understanding the reasoning behind it. That's why the focus of this video is on clarity, education, and responsible trading practices. When you build a foundation based on informed decision-making, you reduce emotional trading and increase confidence in your personal strategy. If you want to explore these Telegram communities for educational purposes, look for transparency, consistent explanations, and signals that include context, not just entries and exits. A good community encourages discussion, learning, and responsible trading. So let's dive in, take a closer look at how these groups work, and see what you can learn from them. Feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments, and check out my other videos if you want more trading-related educational content. Let's get started.